See students, I am doing your project this one. Take a square sheet of paper. This square sheet of paper of side 10 centimeter I have taken. Now let me make a box cutting 4 small squares. The 4 small squares I am cutting, taking the length 3 centimeter. I am cutting 3 centimeter from each corner. This corner, this corner, this corner and this corner. So let me cut. How to cut? Let me use this technique. Let me fold this paper in this way and 3 centimeter let me measure. See, it is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. So this is the point here. So 3 centimeter circle you cut, square you cut. See, this is the square shape paper I am cutting. This is 3 centimeter. This is 3. So let me write here 3 so that I can understand. This is 3. So here this is 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Now let me fold to make the box. So this way I am making the box. You fold it and when you unfold you will see that box is made. This is the technique of making box. See, this one is the box. Now we have to find the volume of the box. So total 10 centimeter was there. Now 3. So what is left? 3, 6 and 4. Here it is 4 centimeter. This one also 4 centimeter. This one 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Now what is the volume of the box? Let me calculate here only. Volume of the box, it will be, see here, volume equal to, আমরা জানি volume equal to length into breadth into height. So what is the length? 4 centimeter. What is the breadth? 4 centimeter. And what is the height? See, this is 3 centimeter. So write it 3. That means 4 4s are 16. 16 into 3, that is 48 centimeter cube. This is the volume. So 40 centimeter cube when I am cutting square 3 centimeters. See, 3 centimeter square I have cut. That small square, I see here is the square. This is 3 centimeter square. This one, see, 3 centimeter square. So 3 3s are 9 centimeter square I cut from both the sides. Okay, so this one is done. One value I take, that is 3 centimeter, the volume I have got. Similarly, I have cut, see here, I have taken 2 centimeter. I am showing you another. Already I have done it. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 2, 4. And from 10 you are subtracting 4. That is 6 left. Because total I have taken 10. In your question it is given 10 centimeter you have to take. So from here 10 you subtract 2 and 2. So 4 subtracted, that is 6 left. This one also 6, this one also 6. So what is the volume? 6 into 6 into 2. That is 6 into 6, 36 into 2. That is 72 centimeter square. The last one we got 40 centimeter square. This one I get 72 centimeter square. See here, 72 centimeter square. 72 centimeter cube volume. And this one another one. So see this one also I have taken 0.5 centimeter square. See here I cut 0.5 centimeter. So it will be, so length is coming 9 centimeters. So length, breadth and height is 0.5. So total it is coming 40.5 centimeter cube the volume. Next one, this one I told 72 centimeter cube. Then another one, let me show. I have taken 1.5 centimeter. See here, 1.5 centimeter. So what will be the volume of this one? See, this way it is making box. So its calculation will be length into breadth into 1.5. It will come something centimeter cube. Like this, the box I am making. Now I am showing you this way many boxes I have made. See, 0.5 centimeter one I cut and I make one box. This is 2 centimeter I cut and make one box. Similarly, this one also 1.5 this one. Next is this one is 0.5, this one 3 centimeters. See, 3 centimeter circle here, 3, 3, 3, 3, and I made box here. So 3 and 3 left, 3, 3, 6 left. So 4, 3, 3, 6. If you subtract from 10, then 4 left. So base area will be 4 into 4 and height is 3. So 4 into 4 into 3, that is 48. Like this, see, many boxes I made. So you also have to make many boxes. Here I am seeing 4 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, see the calculation. When you are taking, see this one, small square side I have taken 0.5. Then length, base length will be 9 and 9, because 9 and this one 0.5 plus 0.5, that is 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. And base length and breadth will be equal. So 9 and 9. So volume will be length into breadth into height. That is 9 into 9 into height is 0.5. So the volume is coming 40.5 centimeter cube. Similarly, when you are taking 1 centimeter, then 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 plus 8. Total 10 it is coming. So volume is length into breadth into height is 1. So it is just 64 centimeter cube. Again, when you are taking 1.5 centimeter small square, then base length is 7, breadth is 7. So 7 into 7 into 1.5, it is coming 73.5 centimeter cube. When you are taking 1.75 centimeter, then it is coming length into breadth into 1.75, it is coming 73.93 centimeter cube. Similarly, see, when you are taking 2, when 2.5, when 3, I have shown the calculation. See, here it is 40.5, 60.5, 60, 73.5, 73.93. Here up it is increasing, and after this, see, it is decreasing. 72 centimeter cube, 62.5 centimeter cube, 48 centimeter cube. So this one is the greatest, biggest volume is this one, taking 1.75 sides length. Length of the square is 1.75. So this is the box. 1.751 will be the biggest volume box. 1.75 I have kept somewhere. So all these box you have to paste in this paper. So many box you will get. So this calculation I have shown, you have to do in this way. All the writing part you have to write clearly. Thank all of you.